So, good morning everyone. Today we'll tackle about introductory of multimedia and ICT. So first, what is multimedia? Multimedia is a reverse of combination of different form of media such as text, image, audio, video, and animation. So multimedia is used for communication information that tells story and entertain audience through various platforms such as website and web, social media and online communities, mobile device and apps, and video games and simulation. So multimedia has many applications in field like education and training, entertainment and gaming, and marketing advertising, and journalists and news reporting, and last, art and design. So, the benefits of multimedia is include enhanced engagement and interaction, improving communication and in the understanding, and increased accessibility and reach, and enhanced creativity and self-expression, and the last is better retention of recall of information. So, next, what is ICT? ICT is information of communication technology like computer, internet, mobile device, education, business, daily life, and online banking, and learning social media. So, benefits of ICT: improvement communication, enhance education, increase and to inform, and new business opportunities. So the career of ICT. ICT supports developer, graphic designer, network administration, data analysis, and digital marketing specialties. So that's all the introductory video of multimedia and ICT. So thank you.